So next one is a test. It is very important for the students and teachers. It is very useful part also. By clicking on this create a test, you can enter into a page. Then it will ask what kind of test paper. Means type a question or upload a file. You can type or upload. Now by clicking type question, we have to type all the questions objective. Okay. Now I will show you that quickly. I will show you that one by clicking the type question and create a test. Okay. Here see topic we can type, description we can type, date of test paper if it is tomorrow, and start time also we can select from this panel. That is if your class is starting on 9 o'clock, you can select 9:10 or 9:05 after reaching in the class AM. So 9 AM only it will be posted. They can open at that time only. And the test duration we are giving 20 minutes. Okay, it's in minutes. Then marks per question, it is 2, and penalty for wrong answer if you give a 1, that means a negative 1 will be. And you can for per question you can add a 4 also. Then by clicking continue, title it is important. Then you click on the continue button. The objective type of question is asking, because then we can type questions here. Then we can type answer, and here which is correct answer, you select that one. Then add another question by clicking add another option. You can add more option, and by clicking here we can add another question. If you want to delete any question, you can click here. Your selection, answer selection, you can see by in green color. Then select next question. Okay, then now it is again next question came. Now you can add the question and answer like this. Simply I am typing, and this answer is this one. Okay, and one thing, after creating the OMR sheet also come here. You can send this OMR sheet to these children after the test paper, that also. Then after that we can click on this create a test. This test will be created, and it will go to the, we selected a time, date, everything. It will go to the students page. They can do only at that time. So in assignment we have created one, in test also we have created one, and I will show you how to create a subjective test also. So clicking on this creative test, then type of question or upload a file. We are uploading a file. When you click on the upload file, 2 type will come. Okay, that is question paper you can upload. MCQ type question paper you are going to upload, or subjective type question paper you are going to upload. If you have a MCQ type question paper, image or PDF, that also you can send very easily. We can conduct the examination. And the real question paper or PT1, PT2 like that question paper also is there. You can, by selecting subjective, you can upload that question paper. I will show you how to conduct the MCQ by using question paper. Okay, MCQ type question paper. I am clicking here, then create a test. Here I am giving one heading, test 2, date also I am selecting 13th, class time is I am selecting 10 o'clock AM. Okay, so test duration is 10 minutes. Number of questions I am given here 10 questions, and a mark for each question, and a penalty is not there, no need. So I have given, then continue. Then here it is asking to upload the question paper. I told you this is MCQ type of question paper. So I am adding question paper from the computer. I am selecting that question paper. This is MCQ type of question paper PDF. I have uploaded here, then continue button. See, this is uploaded MCQ type of question paper. One thing is, just right side of this question paper you can see one OMR sheet to mark the answer. What is first question? This question you read and which is the answer. If the answer is 0, you select this is C, that is C you select. And if it is and second one is answer is D, you select D. Then third one it is B again. Then fourth one is A, and fifth one is B, and the sixth one is simply I am selecting okay C, then D, then ninth I selected D, and 10th I selected A. And one thing I missed, the 8th question I haven't marked. Okay, if I haven't marked the answer of the sheet, then if I am trying to save test, it will tell some questions haven't been answered. See below more details. Below it will show which question you haven't marked. You can see here 8. Okay, then we can go back. Then we can go to the 8th question. Okay, it is a blank. It is not marked. So its answer is a B. If it is B, mark there. Then you save a test. Are you sure want to save test? Yes. Now the created test paper has been sent to the students page. Okay. Now I will show you how it is there in the students page. Not start because the time is 1:20. Okay. So now I will touch this one. Now the instructions we can see there, but the message on top you can see test has not started yet. So that student cannot open the question paper. Okay, he can read all these question number, question mark, instructions, everything he can read. He cannot start the paper. Okay, only 1:20 that student can start the examination. We can wait till 1:20. See, now time is 1:20. I am opening that classroom. Now clicking on the test paper. Now it is, you can see it is ongoing. It is ongoing. Now time started. Then I am opening this one. The student is opening this tile. Then clicking now. You can see here ongoing heading. Then drag down. Start test. The question paper is opening. Now you can increase the size. Zoom this paper. Then read the question. Then mark the answer here, and here timer is also working, and just below this page you can see some options A, B, C, D, E. Okay, here we have answers. If it is you read the question, then if the answer is C, you click on the C, then click next button. Then going to the next one, you can read here question number 2. Then read the question. Answer is if it is a B, click there. Then next question. Then read the third question, answer is A, and next fourth question D, and you bring the question properly, then read the questions and click next question, then next question, next, now simply I am clicking. Now it is the 8th question. There is one arrow just right side. By clicking here you can see the next paper. Okay, because 8 questions only in this page. When clicking we can see that page. 2 more questions there. Read a question and mark here next question, and you mark here. I am marking here B. Then next one is a D. So all questions I have marked, and now it is completed. Okay, you can see one answer sheet here, OMR sheet, and if you click on this answer sheet, we can read all the answers. First question C, second question B, like that we can read also answer sheet. After the test paper, if you click on this answer sheet, we can see the real answer and what we marked as OMR sheet. Okay, then I will show you later. Now 1:23, 6 more minutes to submit, but I am submitting now. My work over. Then I am submitting this MCQ. On top you can see then submit button. Then click on the submit button. Then submit test is confirming. Then click on the submit test. Now it will show how much mark we got. Okay, student, your test submitted successfully and your score is a 2 out of 20. Okay, so you click on the got it. Now that's graded. You can see here MCQ test already graded. He got the mark also. The test over. Okay. Now I will show you another test that is a periodic test too. This is not MCQ test. This is now ongoing. I am opening this one. Okay, the student is opening this one. Online test, test date, time, everything, duration, description is I haven't given, and this is attachment PDF. Now what you do is the student has to download this PDF by clicking here. Now it is downloaded. Once more the student is clicking on this icon, it will be opened. That question will be opened. I simply attached one file for this only to show you. It is not a question paper. You think this is question paper. The children are reading the question and writing the answer on a paper. After writing the answers, all the answers, he is coming back to this page. Then we can submit the answers in image and as a PDF also. If you want to take this one directly to submit, no problem, very easily we can do that. I will show you. The student is clicking this button, add submission button. At that time you can see three options. One is image and one is document and one is camera. Directly we can take by using the camera. Click on the camera. Now the camera will be opened. Students can take the image, the clear image of this answer sheet, and if it is okay, they click OK. Then that image uploaded directly. If you want to add answer sheet, you select add submission, take camera, then click on this button, click OK. Okay, now two images we added. And if you send here, if you submit, this paper will go to the teachers. If you want to remove this any image by clicking this button, you can remove also. But teachers, I think better to submit a PDF image, because if the answer sheet is more than one sheet, if you submit as image, the teachers will get one confusion and problem to correct it, because each and every page they have to click and open. It is very difficult. So if they are getting the answer sheets together in PDF, they can correct it continuously. Okay. So tell the students to submit as PDF. What to do? Please use one PDF converter or PDF scan page. By using any PDF scanner, students should take this image as PDF. Okay, by clicking documents, we can attach the file from the computer or from the mobile, and simply I am attaching one paper, then submitting. Now we can go to the correction in teachment. How to correct all these type of questions in teachment, that we are going to check. For that I have created a test, three type of test here, and I have received the submissions also. For that we have to click on the test tab. When you click there, we can see all the submissions. The last three submissions we are going to correct. First one is you can see this is a MCQ test PDF. In PDF we can send MCQ. I have told you. So this is MCQ test in PDF format, and this is a MCQ test directly typed questions. This is a subjective test giving the question paper. They are sending the answers as PDF. So three type of submissions I have here. So we can check one by one. First one, MCQ test in PDF. And both MCQ, no need to correct, everything will be added automatically. So I will show you like that. View submission. You click on the view submission. When you click on the view submission, you can this page here that child name will be there. If there are 30 children, one by one you can see downwards. Here in this class only one child, so that boy has submitted. Okay, and already we can see the score also there. Out of 26 mark that boy got. And what is the rank out of the students? But here only one student, that's why he is getting rank 1. If more than one, according to the mark, the rank also will be shown there. And if you want to see the answers, we can click on view answers. Then it will show all the answers here. We can see the answers which that boy or that student marked with the correct answer and what he marked. Okay, that we can see. This is the first PDF submission. Next one I will show you the MCQ questions which is typed directly. Okay, that there is no any submission will be there from the side of students. So we cannot see any submission. If you click here, there is no submission in this, but what it is there, we can see only the mark of that students. Okay, of the students we can see the mark. So now we can correct the answer sheet which has been sent by the student. This is a subjective test. I am opening this one. Without opening, we can, by clicking here, we can see view submissions. So clicking here, I can see the all the submissions. It is not evaluated. We can see here. Then just right side of the boy, just right side of the student, you can see one another hyperlink word that is evaluate. By clicking here, we can open that page. And if you have many children, you can see downwards here after the first child, you can see all the students here. I am clicking on the evaluate word. Now I can see one PDF page on top. So that is the submission. You simply touch on that one. Now it is downloading. So after downloading, we can click once more. Then it will be open. So this is the answer sheet which is sent by the student. So when it is open, you can see a pen just below. You click that pen. Then just right side you can see the more option. Click there. Then you can see colors. Select a red color and you can start a correction. Okay, like that you can tick and after the correction, give the mark also. After giving the mark. So to drag this page, you have to off the pen. Okay, you have to off the pen. You can drag and again touch the pen. Then you correct it. Then after giving all the mark, you click on the. You can save by clicking here. You will get one save button here. You can save this one. So it is saved. Or you can click on the done button. Okay, on top of this. So now this is corrected, and how much mark he got? If it is a 10 mark, click on this box and type the mark he scored. Okay, then click on save, and after that you can give one feedback also. Very good. Very good, and keep it up. Okay, like that we can type also. After typing, you click on the save button here. Now you can see evaluate this feedback provided and you evaluated just top of this submitted by out of 2 students only one student submitted, evaluated out of 1 submission, evaluated also 1, and here we can see the rank and score of this boy or student and feedback also provided. This is the method to correct this answer sheet in mobile. One thing, better to correct the answer sheet in mobile itself. So we can go back. So all the test paper we corrected. MCQ type PDF, MCQ directly typed, and subjective test paper also we have corrected. Now we can check the last tab of this classroom, that is study material. That also we know in Google Classroom we are sending study material now. So like that we can send study material to the students by clicking here. So it will not go as assignment or test, it will go as a study material. Study material means you can send different type of study materials you can send to the students. You can send YouTube videos, images, you can send documents, okay, images, documents like a PDF, okay, everything we can say. YouTube videos, by clicking here add study material, you click on the add study material.